guys! Welcome back to my channel. Hello. So as you can see, I'm still wearing my sugar skull look that I did for my third week of October month, which, you know, I decided to make a series of 4 Halloween makeup ideas, which I hope can help you to your, you know, upcoming Halloween parties. So yeah, in this video, I am just going to show you my Halloween makeup collection and some of my makeup collections, my beauty kits, and you know, it's just a moment for us to have fun and be girly. Yeah, so let's go. So these are all my Halloween makeup. So these are all, you know, my creams. Some are here. So this is the cream. This is in black. 2 blacks, 1 brown, 1 gray, 1 black, 1 green, and then I have the silver. So these are the makeup ideas. You know, yun yung pinaglalagyan niya before. Some of my face paints. There. And this is the one that I use. See? This is the one that I use for the sugar skull. And I have the crayons. Ito yung glow in the dark. And this is the set for the zombie, which I haven't used yet. And these are my vampire blood. I have 3 of them. Yeah. And this, I don't know how to open this. Yeah, this side. So these are my creams, my liners, and then my face paints. There. Please excuse. And these are the sponges that I use, and some accessories in a Ziploc bag. There we have it. And these are my daily makeup products. So as you can see, there's a lot of, you know, Ofra, Pop Beauty, Pixie, my brushes, you know, eyebrows, eyeliners, eyebrow brushes, mascara, concealer, powder, foundation, some shimmers. I even have drugstores. And then this is my other cosmetics pile. So this is my brushes. This is just for me. Some spare sponge for the eyes, stippling brushes, some gems, and hair clips. Yan. There. And then I have these 2 brushes. This is very old, so this is the one that I use for the Halloween makeups whenever I do them. So it doesn't really matter kung masira siya, you know, if it gets damaged or whatever, because it already is. And this is my makeup brushes for everyday use. And that's my lipsticks. It's in separate. These 3 are my favorite right now, and these 3, that's why they're in the front. Same with this one. So from one there. So there we have it. I know I don't have some extreme cosmetic collection like some of you have, but the products that I have are the products that works best for me, and it has been sorted out. It has been, you know, trimmed down to the smallest to, I think, the most wearable and usable products for me. So there. I hope you had fun. I hope you give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.